How to download songs from Spotify. Let's dive into the video. Firstly, start by opening the Spotify app and make sure to log into your Spotify account. Then, start by finding the song you wish to download. Once you find the song, tap on it. Now, tap the three dot icon in the top right corner and select Add to Playlist. From the following menu, tap New Playlist to add the song you want to download. After making a new playlist, return to the home screen and tap Your Library at the bottom right corner. Find the playlist you just created and tap it. Now all you have to do is finally press the downward arrow button to download the playlist. Since you will only have one song in that playlist, that song will be individually downloaded. Also, to keep your downloaded songs and playlist in your library, you must go online at least once every 30 days. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.